What's up, guys? Just setting up to do a little video here. Jocelyn wanted to get in on it.
Yes.
She wants to have her own YouTube channel. Should I let her? Should I let you?
Yes. Give a thumbs up if you want me to have a YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff. I thought it was pertinent to what we're doing here in the office. So let's get started. Got this box here from B&H. We're gonna open up. What do you think's in here? Let's find out.
I'll never use a really sharp knife.
Not without your parents' permission, right?
Yeah, and help.
Her chore job is to put up the dishes, and so she sometimes has to put up some sharp knives.
Yeah, just sometimes.
Is that a hard job?
Not really.
What kind of hard job should we let you have?
None.
No hard jobs for Joss. Let's continue with the unboxing.
Yes. Ooh, poppy.
Jocelyn's favorite part, the poppy things. So we got some boring stuff, but very important. These are clamps. They go to Jocelyn's nose to keep it closed.
No.
No, that would hurt. Gaff tape, very essential. I was running out, so this is gonna come in handy. This is my old gaff tape. This is the new gaff tape. I was dangerously low, so coming in clutch, thanks B&H. Some more miniature clamps, an articulating arm. Oh, I'm sorry, did I hit your chin?
Yeah, but I'm okay.
I hit Jocelyn's chin.
Yeah, but I found this.
Oh, that's the big secret.
I found this.
It's a new microphone we're gonna try out. The Video Mic NTG, and I think this mic might be the best microphone for vloggers. So we're gonna try that out after I get this switched up to a top down. We'll switch it up to our top down and do some unboxing for all of this stuff. Set that to the side for now.
That's so fun, those.
Oh, and a couple of these baby pin and 1/4 inch double-ended adapters.
You have to be very careful with sharp knives.
Thank you, Jocelyn. People need to know that.
More poppy.
Wait, move your hand. Gotta be careful with sharp knives, remember?
Yeah. More poppy pop things, but these ones are circles. Look at those. So you don't even know what these are. There's so much stuff inside this. And then also these. It's a lot. More. And those. And this.
There's so much stuff.
Yeah. Oh, it's a lot.
Do you know what this is?
No.
You were asking earlier what these things were over here, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, these are behind me. I told you guys in the last video about the office build out that I was gonna get something to hang up, like some backgrounds. Oh, well, I got these paper backgrounds. These are way too big for me to actually show you, but I got a green and a white background. The green one will be like a green screen, and the white one is just a really clean, simple background. I've got this dark wall from my normal dark background, and I think it looks... What's up?
Oddly, her dad at the space station, they have a little green background. It's called a green screen, and they can pretend to go places.
Oh, you want to pretend to go places with our green screen?
Yeah, like they hang it up on the wall, and then some is on the floor. I used to have little curvy pink scissors, but now I have sharp scissors. Sometimes I just twist it, and look how long this thing is.
Yeah, you think Jude wants to pop some?
Yeah, I'll be back.
All right, we've got the overhead rig up there hanging up, and so let's start with the Rode Video mic.
Oh, do we open it from the top?
I don't know.
We probably should,
Oh,
because...
here.
Oh, from the bottom.
That actually took me 3 takes to get.
Yeah. Usually it takes you like 2 or 1.
All right.
It's ready to open. noisy. I like noisy.
Little helpful hint, I always keep these things and I'll throw them in my camera bag or my gym bag. They actually absorb smells, and so your wife will thank you for it later. My camera bag.
I just want. That's
There it is.
the mic. There's something else. Oh, look at this. Real instructions this time.
This mic is gonna be awesome. I use the NTG2 from Rode all the time, so this should be an amazing little microphone. Huge upgrade from what I currently have on my Techstar SGC 598, which is a great mic, great budget option, but this mic might actually be the best video mic for DSLRs. Especially for vlogging.
I don't know, it's like little plugins, but there's a little piece that I can put my nail in and then peel.
Comes with this little wire. I think that goes from the microphone, and it's a TRRS, and so I think you can actually put it directly into your phone and use it on your phone as well.
That one isn't the same.
And this is the USB-C connector. It's got an internal battery on here, so you put the USB-C into this piece right here, and that's where you charge it. And it comes with this standard windscreen right here. Just pop that on, and that should be good for most situations. But I bought this Roycott Furry for outdoor situations where I'm going outside and the wind is blowing a lot. I live next to a beach, so I'm in windy situations quite often, and this Furry will come in really good handy. I'm gonna do a full review on this microphone here in another video really soon, but until then,
I want to feel it's fuzzy. Is it really, really fuzzy?
we can see what it looks like.
It's so fuzzy.
Let's see.
It makes.
Pretty sure that this just goes right over the top of all of this. Yeah, let's put the new microphone on.
Okay. Ow, though.
All right, now all this other stuff, I'm gonna have to save that for another video. Wondering if it sounds a lot better or if you can't really tell the difference. Probably it sounds a lot better. You've got some wild hair there going on. What's going on with that?
I took a nap.
You took a nap?
Yeah, on the couch. When I was finished doing school, I was just super tired. My brain was tired, so I just snapped into sleep.
How should we end the video?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
But we gotta tell people like what our channel is and all that kind of stuff. This is how I end it. Just tell me if I do a good job, okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down.
If you kind of liked it, give it a thumb.
A thumb sideways. If you kind of liked it, give it 2 thumbs down. 2.
Yeah.
Make sure you hit it
If you
twice.
really don't like it, give it 2 thumbs down. If you really like it, give it 2 thumbs up.
Just 1 thumbs up.
Why?
Because if you hit it again, it goes away. I mean, don't tell anybody.
If you hit it the thumbs up again, it will go away.
That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.
Bye.